Namaskar. I am Dr. Smita Naram, founder of Ayushakti Ayurved. And my purpose of life is to improve your quality of life. So, through Ayushakti channel, I will keep talking about health tips. Today, we are going to speak to you about breast cancer, how to prevent it, and if you had it in the past, how you can prevent it from getting back. Or if your family had it, or in the genetic test, they found that you probably have a chances of mutation. What can you do so that you can control this mutation naturally? Basically, any kind of cancer is actually because of the cells get out of their control mechanism. For example, we have every day millions of cells die, millions have to be produced new. And we also have a control mechanism where they don't get abnormally produced new. And this control mechanism is controlled by a genes, a genetic process. But sometimes it happens that this genetic process itself, which is creating the new cells and growing the new cells, go out of balance, and they give a wrong signal to our cells where they divide and they grow so fast that they begin to invade into other cells as well. And this is how slowly and steadily cancer from one spot begins to spread in other cells or other places too. So Ayurveda actually talks about Vata, Pitta, Kapha. This is very similar to the philosophy of modern science, where modern science says that this control mechanism which goes out of balance, the influence is actually from the same genetic mechanism which helped embryo to grow into fetus and which helped child to grow into the adult. And that then has to become generally inactive after a certain age. It begins to get activated again because of some wrong signal. Ayurveda talks the same thing. Ayurveda says that when you are child, you have to be more kapha predominant because kapha dosha helps to grow from embryo to the fetus, from the child to the adult. After that, this kapha should not be very active. But when this kapha becomes very active, it converts into this bad kind of a tumor. It stimulates the overgrowth of the cells and it converts into a tumor which is described in Ayurveda scriptures as Dushtarburth. It's in the chapter of Arburth. Arburth means different kinds of cancers. And Dushtarburth, which means uncontrolled cancer, So in that chapter, Gulma and Arburth chapter, this is described. And it says that whenever all the three doshas, which means predominantly kapha, and then pitta and vata, they go out of balance completely, and literally in the pulse, you find all the three doshas going out of balance whenever there is cancer there, or cancer is coming, or past history of cancer. You can find this. Along with that, Dhatu Agni, the metabolic Agni which controls the creation of tissues in the body, gets out of balance completely, and it stimulates only growth of one kind of a tissues constantly. This combination and amatoxins with sometimes attack from ojas, because ojas is that vital energy, the immune energy which helps children to grow, but in the adult when it goes out of balance, it can create overgrowth of a tissue. And of course, in the breast cancer situation, there is involvement of Rasa Dhatu, we call it Rasa Dhatu, Mamsa Dhatu, which literally means hormone system and muscle system. Ayushakti, over a period of last 30 years, have helped hundreds and thousands of people who in the past suffered from breast cancer and they wanted to prevent it from coming back. Or some people even took Ayurveda's help along with their chemotherapy so that bad impact is reduced, and the doctors also saw that they needed less and less amount of chemo because of the support from the herbs. Here is one example I would like to share the reports where this lady actually had a cancer. She removed it and it came back just in some 1 year or 1.5 years. This was about her mother actually. She is one of the staff at Ayush Shakti. And it came back again, so she came to see me. The chemo had such a side effect that mother completely rejected. I don't want to do anything anymore. And since last 3 years, she's taking all Ayush Shakti's formulas, diet, lifestyle, everything. Slowly and steadily, the tumor reduced over a period of time, as you can see in the report. And that is what is possible. I have seen many, many people staying stable for years and years, living for like 10, 15 years with Ayush Shakti's help, in spite of having a small tumor in their breast. You can choose both. You can choose to have a chemo, remove it, and then come to us, Ayurveda, or you can do it along with it. Whatever you want to do, it's your choice. First of all, if you have any cancer in your body, make sure you become vegan and gluten-free. This is fundamental, vegan and gluten-free. That itself will help a lot. With that, take always lots of cooked vegetables, fresh fruits, beans, lentils, tofu, rice, brown rice, quinoa, etc. Try to eat organics because even the pesticides and fertilizers can contribute towards any kind of growth. These 4 vegetables I always advise people with cancer, especially whoever has genetic pattern or history, family history of having breast cancer or uterus things or anywhere in the reproductive system, any cancer, you should actually take this every day. If you have any cancer already happening or you have removed it and you want to prevent it, take this one of the 4 vegetables every day, at least 200 grams, because they contain certain substance, actives, which if taken regularly has many scientific reports published across the world that they can actually control the mutation, control the activity of this multiplication activity of the cells. They actually work at a genetic level as per many reports published. These are broccoli. So take cooked broccoli, not blanched because that removes the active. So cooked without removing the water, 200 grams, or take padwar. Padwar is actually a long Indian vegetable. It's also known as snake gourd, and that Indian vegetable, if you can find, it has, I think you can find 50 or 100 reports published on this particular vegetable. Take it every day, 200 grams, again cooked, don't blanch it. Mushroom helps also, so 200 grams of mushroom, a particular kind that you can use, and soya beans fresh. So you can take edamame or cooked fresh soya beans regularly, or even dried soybean, but fresh are having better effect because they're active in that. So these 4 things, one of them, take it every day, or if you don't have anything, you want to prevent it, take it every alternative day. It will help a lot. Along with that, this juice, cabbage or broccoli, carrot, beetroot, pomegranate, make a juice out of it, add either fresh turmeric paste or 1 teaspoon of powder in it, and drink this juice 3 times a day. It is very important, drink this juice 3 times a day. In general, cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, all these family, they are extremely good in controlling or preventing breast cancers or uterus cancers. Take them regularly. Ayush Shakti has this formula, Pratishakti, Ojas and Metaboost. Along with that, Fibron. These 4 formula I always give people to take it every day. In extreme conditions, you can even take it 3 times the dose. Normally, you take 2 tablets, each of them twice a day, but you can even take 4 to 6 tablets twice a day of Pratishakti and Fibron, these two particularly, and I'll tell you how it works. So Pratishakti has this Karchur, Chitrak, Piper longum, Guduchi, curcumin, and all this mixture of extracts which are actually known on many published research reports, research studies on animals or even human trials, that they help to control the genetic mutation of different varieties. And that is why I always give Pratishakti, sometimes even 3 times a day in the beginning to control it, and then come back to normal slowly and steadily, and as a maintenance 2 twice a day. Ojas is immunomodulator. Ojas contains curcumin, guduchi, chiraita, shatavari, and pomegranate peel extract. All of this in a potent extract form. And Ojas is immunomodulator. So as I was talking to you, that immune system also sometimes goes out of balance, and even viral infections, especially in cervix, HPV virus, for example, can create precancerous conditions or cancer of the cervix. So Ojas actually helps to control the viruses as well, or modulate the immune system and calm it down, balance it so that it doesn't activate mutation in the genes. Fibron is a formula which helps with any kind of growth in the body. It reduces growth, and according to Ayurveda, it works on the gulm and arbud in general. So it has Kanchanar, Gugul, Bharangi, Trikatu, Triphala, Gokshur, Punarnava. All of this combination, they work in a manner that it helps slowly and steadily to reduce any growth. It can be fibroid, benign, or it can be not benign, like arbud kind of a growth or cancerous kind of a growth. It can help reduce slowly. You can even take it 4 tablets 3 times a day. Normal dose is 2 tablets twice a day. But initially, to control, it can be given in a high dose. With that, we always recommend MetaBoost formula, as Ayurveda always talks about metabolism being irregular. So this works from Ayurvedic point of view on Dhatu Agni. Dhatu literally means tissue and Agni means metabolism. So it helps with balancing the tissue metabolism, because Ayurveda says that whenever this Agni is imbalanced, one type of tissue grows too much and the others undergrow. So you have to balance the metabolism using a metabolic formula from Ayurvedic point of view. It contains Abrag Vasma, Suvarnamakshik, Chitrak, Chavak and Amlavatak extract, Pushkarmud, Arjuna extract, Trikatu, Triphala extract, and many other ingredients in combination to help boost metabolism and balance it in a natural way. So friends, I hope this was useful. Friends, if you or your friends or family members have any health questions, do write to us and we will be more than happy to help you. And if you are a GP or a medical doctor, chiropractors, acupuncturist, or Ayurvedic practitioners, or even massage therapist, and you want to learn a natural way of healing of Ayush Shakti, you want to learn the pulse reading, do write to us and we will create a customized training program just for you.